Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use my free System.io affiliate funnel template so you can start making 60% commission with System.io right away. I've put together this funnel that includes all of System.io offers, plus an ebook to collect emails. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to import this funnel into your System.io account, customize it with your affiliate links, start making commissions ASAP. So if you're ready to start earning with System.io, let's dive in. Before we jump into the setting up the funnel, let me quickly explain why this is such a powerful system. System.io is one of the best all-in-one platforms for online businesses, and they have an insane affiliate program that pays 60% recurring commissions. That means if someone signs up through your link, you get paid month after month for life. The problem? Most people don't know how to promote System.io effectively. That's where my free funnel comes in. It's pre-built, optimized, and designed to promote all System.io offers, capture leads with a free ebook, upsell the extra bonuses to increase conversations. So instead of figuring out what works, you just plug in your links and start promoting. Alright, let's get this funnel into your System.io account. Click the link in the description to access the free funnel. Make sure to log into your System.io account or create a free one if you don't have it yet. Link also in description. Click import funnel and boom, you got exact system I use. Let's click refresh. Now you'll want to customize it with your own affiliate links. Here is how. Let's open affiliate dashboard on another tab. Go to edit page and change the button links to your System.io affiliate link. Also you can add your name, branding, and extra bonuses. So the first button is here, create your free account. You go to affiliate dashboard and click here. And you'll paste it here. Next one, this is the free ebook you get. There's the link to the ebook. So free affiliate program. Here we click on the button and we only copy this part behind the equal sign. Delete and paste. That's your link now in there. Next one, same here. We go copy this and delete, paste. So here we have to go behind the equal sign and paste. And same with all the other buttons. Here with the startup button, webinar, and unlimited plan. Also for courses, watch free video. Yeah, a lot of buttons. You understand all these ones. Here as well. And so on. And if you have your own System.io in a box, you place your own offer here. If you don't, you can go to System.io Marketplace. You will find my offers here. And there is also System.io in a box. And in the promote offer button, you already will have your affiliate link ID here. You will just copy it and paste it here. Also same for PLR package. If you have your own link, put it here. If you don't, go back and we have it here as well. Promote offer, and here's the affiliate link. And same for PLR launch kit. Go back and PLR launch kit is here. Link. And down here we also have System.io funnel wound. This is also potential month-to-month. Sales page. And that's done. If you have your own Facebook group, you can add it here. If you don't have it, you can just delete this button as well. And at the top, we also had same for System.io box and PLR package. So System.io box is here. go click here. If you have your link in bio page, you can paste it here as well. And same for PLR package. So now when it is done, all the affiliate links are changed. Yes, save always. Now it's time to get traffic. Your funnel is live and you need traffic. So let's clean up the URL path. You can use it like SEO or something. You can choose whatever you want. Then you will click here to copy it, and this is the link you want to promote. So here are 3 easy ways to promote it. First, Facebook and YouTube. Share the funnel link in the relevant groups and create short tutorial videos. Second is email marketing. You can send funnel to your email list and offer a bonus for signups. And third is paid ads. If you want faster results, run Facebook or YouTube ads targeting online entrepreneurs. So I'll be making more videos on traffic strategies, so subscribe if you want to learn more. That's it. You're now ready to send traffic and start making commissions. So alright guys, now it's time to take action. Step 1, download the funnel for free, link below. Customize it and start driving traffic. Subscribe for more affiliate marketing strategies. And don't forget, if you need help, drop a comment and I'll be happy to assist. See you in the next video.